I'm going to show to you how to change Facebook email. So the first step is to simply open Facebook and then go to menu, and then you'll have to simply go to your settings, and then here you'll have to simply go to account center, and then you'll have to simply scroll down and go to personal details, and then here you have contact info. So simply tap on that, and as you can see, you have your contact information. So basically with this contact information, you can log into your Facebook account. So you can see I have my phone number and my email address. So if you want to change the email address, simply tap on add new contact, and then simply choose add the email address, and then you'll have to simply add your new email address and select your Facebook account, and then you'll have to simply tap on next, and then you'll have to simply confirm your email address. So after that, you'll have to go back here to contact information and make sure to delete the old one. So tap on the old one and then simply tap on delete email address, and basically that's how you can change Facebook email. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.